Have you ever walked into your own home after a long, exhausting day, and somehow still didn't feel relaxed? Your home looks nice. It's clean. It's comfortable. But something still feels off. Most people think the answer is a vacation, less work, or a bigger house. But what if part of the problem is your environment? Research suggests that something as simple as the right indoor plants may help create a calmer home, reduce everyday stress, and improve your overall sense of well-being. But here's what almost nobody tells you. Not every plant offers the same benefits. Today, I'll show you 10 science-backed indoor plants, what the research actually says about them, and which one might be exactly what your home has been missing. If you've been feeling mentally drained lately, don't skip this video. One of these plants may be exactly what your home has been missing. Let's start with one that's probably already sitting in your house. If you've ever wanted a plant that makes your home feel calmer without constantly demanding your attention, start here. The snake plant has become one of the world's most popular houseplants for a simple reason. It's incredibly forgiving. And that's important because research suggests that simply caring for healthy indoor plants can support well-being by helping people feel more connected to nature. When a plant is easy to keep alive, it removes one of the biggest sources of stress for beginners, the fear of getting it wrong. Snake plants thrive in low to bright indirect light and only need watering when the soil is completely dry. In fact, overwatering is the fastest way to kill one. Place it in a bedroom, home office, or reading corner where its upright leaves add a calm, structured look with almost no effort. But what if a plant could do more than just look calming? What if the thing that helps you relax isn't what you see, but what you smell? That's exactly where the next plant stands out. That plant is lavender. Unlike the snake plant, lavender doesn't just change how a room looks. It can change how the room feels through its natural fragrance. Lavender is one of the most researched plants in aromatherapy. Studies suggest that its scent may help people feel more relaxed, reduce feelings of stress, and even support better sleep quality. That's why you'll find lavender in everything from sleep sprays to essential oils. If you decide to grow the real plant, give it plenty of bright sunlight, draining soil, and only water when the soil feels dry. The biggest mistake is treating it like a tropical houseplant. It actually prefers to stay on the drier side. Place it near a sunny window, in your kitchen, or anywhere you'll naturally walk past and enjoy its gentle fragrance. But not everyone wants a fragrant plant. Some people simply want their home to feel quieter and more peaceful the moment they walk in. The next plant does exactly that, without relying on scent at all. That plant is the peace lily. Instead of filling your room with fragrance, the peace lily creates a sense of calm through its appearance. Its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms instantly soften a space, which is one reason it's so popular in homes, offices, and quiet indoor spaces. Research on biophilic design suggests that simply surrounding yourself with healthy greenery can help reduce stress and make indoor environments feel more relaxing. The peace lily brings that calming effect while adding one of the few long-lasting white blooms you'll find on an easy care houseplant. It grows best in medium to bright indirect light and likes the soil to stay lightly moist, but never soggy. The biggest mistake is overwatering, which can quickly lead to root rot. Place it in a living room, bedroom, or home office where its blooms can become a natural focal point. But what if you're the kind of person who struggles to keep plants alive? Then beauty alone isn't enough. You need a plant that practically grows with you instead of against you. That's exactly why the next one has become a favorite for beginners. That's where golden pothos comes in. If the thought of keeping a plant alive makes you anxious, this is one of the best places to start. One reason indoor plants can support mental well-being is that they give you a small, achievable routine. Water it, watch it grow, and enjoy the progress. Golden pothos makes that routine easy because it's incredibly forgiving. Miss a watering occasionally, and it's usually quick to recover. Bright, indirect light is ideal, but it also adapts well to lower light. Water when the top inch or two of soil feels dry. The biggest mistake is watering on a schedule instead of checking the soil first. Its trailing vines also create a softer, more natural look, helping shelves, desks, and empty corners feel warmer and more inviting. But the next plant isn't calming because it's easy to grow. It's calming because simply watching it changes something most people never think about: your breathing. That plant is the Arca palm. Unlike the plants you've seen so far, the Arca palm doesn't rely on fragrance or flowers. Instead, it transforms the feeling of a room. Its soft, arching fronds bring movement and a natural, tropical look that can make indoor spaces feel more open and relaxing. Research in biophilic design suggests that adding larger green plants to indoor environments can help create spaces that people describe as calmer, more comfortable, and less stressful. The Arca palm is one of the best examples because it adds height, texture, and lush greenery without overwhelming a room. Give it bright, indirect light, and keep the soil evenly moist, allowing the top inch to dry slightly before watering again. The biggest mistake is placing it in a dark corner, where growth becomes weak and the leaves gradually lose their rich green color. It's a beautiful choice for a living room, reading corner, or home office where you want the space to feel brighter and more inviting. But what if your home doesn't have room for a large statement plant? The next one proves you don't need a big plant to make a room feel calmer. Sometimes a small hanging plant does the job just as well. That plant is the spider plant. Unlike the Arca palm, the spider plant doesn't fill a room with dramatic foliage. Instead, it rewards you with something surprisingly satisfying to watch. It constantly creates new baby plants. Those tiny plantlets, often called spiderettes, hang from long stems and make the plant feel alive and constantly growing. Watching new growth appear over time gives you small, visible signs of progress. And psychologists have found that noticing progress, even in small ways, can create a greater sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light but also adapt well to medium light. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. The biggest mistake is keeping the soil constantly wet, which can damage the roots. It's perfect for a hanging basket or a high shelf where the baby plants can cascade naturally. But what if you don't want a plant that grows fast? Maybe what brings you peace is knowing your plant will still look healthy even if life gets busy for a while. That's exactly where the next plant shines. That's exactly why so many people fall in love with the Zeds plant. Life gets busy, you forget to water, you travel. Sometimes you simply don't think about your plants for a couple of weeks. And the Z's plant is surprisingly okay with that. Its secret is hidden underground. Zod plants grow from thick rhizomes that store water and energy, allowing the plant to handle long, dry periods without immediately showing signs of stress. Knowing your plant can tolerate the occasional mistake removes a lot of the anxiety that comes with indoor gardening. It grows best in bright, indirect light, but also adapts well to lower light rooms. Water only after the soil has dried out completely. The biggest mistake is watering too often, because those water-storing rhizomes don't need constant moisture. It's an excellent choice for offices, bedrooms, or anyone who wants greenery without adding another demanding task to their routine. But the next plant offers a completely different kind of comfort. Instead of reducing stress by surviving neglect, it invites you to slow down for a few quiet moments every day. That plant is jasmine. Unlike the Zeds plant, jasmine isn't about forgetting it exists. It's about creating a small daily moment you'll actually look forward to. Jasmine is best known for its sweet fragrance, and several studies have found that its aroma may promote relaxation and support better sleep. That's one reason jasmine is commonly used in gardens, bedrooms, and outdoor seating areas designed for rest. Indoors, it grows best in a bright spot with several hours of sunlight each day. Keep the soil lightly moist but never waterlog it. The biggest mistake is placing it in a dark room where it struggles to bloom. And without flowers, you miss the fragrance that makes this plant so special. A sunny bedroom or a bright window near your favorite chair is the perfect place to enjoy it. But the next plant proves you don't need flowers, or even fragrance, to make your home feel more peaceful. Sometimes all it takes is rich, lush greenery. That's exactly where the Boston fern stands apart. Unlike jasmine, which helps create a moment of calm through its fragrance, the Boston fern changes the entire feeling of a room with nothing more than its lush, flowing greenery. Researchers who study biophilic design have found that spaces filled with rich, natural vegetation are often described as more relaxing, more welcoming, and less mentally exhausting. With its soft, arching fronds, the Boston fern brings that peaceful, almost forest-like atmosphere indoors. It grows best in bright, indirect light and prefers soil that's consistently moist, not soaking wet, but never completely dry. The biggest mistake is letting it dry out for long periods, which quickly causes the delicate fronds to turn brown. It's a beautiful choice for a bathroom, sunroom, or any bright corner where you want to create a softer, more peaceful space. But what if you want more than a calming atmosphere? What if you want a plant that wakes up your mind as much as it relaxes it? That's exactly what the final plant is known for. That plant is rosemary. Most of the plants on this list help create a calmer home. Rosemary does something a little different. It has also been studied for how its aroma may support focus, alertness, and memory. Several studies suggest that the scent of rosemary may help improve mental performance during certain tasks, which is why it's often associated with concentration rather than relaxation alone. While it's not a replacement for good sleep or healthy habits, it can be a refreshing plant to keep nearby when you're reading, working, or simply want your space to feel more alive. Rosemary loves bright sunlight and well-draining soil. Water only when the top layer of soil has dried out. The biggest mistake is overwatering, especially indoors where the soil dries much more slowly. Place it on a sunny kitchen windowsill, home office desk, or anywhere you'll naturally brush past the leaves and enjoy their fresh, herbal scent. And here's the bigger lesson. None of these plants magically remove stress, but together, they can help create a home that feels greener, calmer, and more enjoyable to spend time in. And sometimes, that's exactly what we need. Whether it's the effortless snake plant, the soothing scent of lavender, or the fresh focus rosemary brings, every plant on this list improves your home in a different way. Which one surprised you the most? And which one are you thinking about bringing home first? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably love my guide to 20 easy indoor plants anyone can grow, where I show you the best beginner, friendly houseplants for every room. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.